Hello, I'm Charles, Technical Support Engineer at Dwyer Instruments, and welcome to this video highlighting our submersible level transmitter accessories. All of our submersible level transmitters contain a ventilation tube inside the cable to compensate for changes in atmospheric pressure above the tank. The tube is protected with a maintenance-free filter, preventing particulates or water droplets from entering the transducer. In the event that the cable needs to be cut to a shorter length, the ventilation tube will be exposed and a new A-297 Desiccant filter will need to be attached. Insert the included syringe-type stainless steel tip in the exposed ventilation tube. Once properly inserted, mount the filter in a vertical position. The filter contains desiccant beads to trap any moisture or particulates that may try to enter the transmitter, which change color based on the amount of saturation. The filter will need to be replaced when the beads are fully saturated according to the color chart on the filter in order to ensure the transmitter doesn't come into contact with any moisture or particulates. To learn more or order any Dwyer product, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.